ICC.
Crime against humanity.
Crime
Against
against
humanity,
humanity.
ICC.
ICC.
Kalimutan niya ulit. Sa Hague.
We are not signatory sa ICC.
That's what they're doing now.
Hindi ako, yan ako hindi papayag. I am a Filipino, you are all Filipino citizens. Ako, pag nagkasala, you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, and magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to The Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Baski na hindi tayo maghingi niyan, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo. Hindi pa bayad ako. Wala tayong extradition treaty. At saka nag-withdraw na tayo. Bakit mo ako dadalhin doon sa international body na hindi na tayo bibro? That's a big question. Kaya nga, ano ito sila sa Supreme Court, tignan mo. Whether rightly or wrongly ang decision na mag-withdraw tayo sa ICC, the fact that we are already not a member. So, dapat intindihin ng mga abogado yan, pati sila, they should, ay ko naman, Bernardo, ask them seriously again. Kasi, malapit ka na mag-retire. So, just ask them, sigurado ba kayo dito? Kasi hindi na tayo membro ng ICC. Medisina ko. Sabihin lang ng drama. Sabihin mo, sabihin mo totoo, hindi alam nila yan. Matanda ka na, kailangan mong medisina.